The snake. Snakes evolved around the same time as the first true mammals. They lost the arms and legs of their reptilian ancestors and developed a streamlined body, making them perfectly adapted to hunting in burrows and silently pursuing their prey through the undergrowth. But young mammals aren't entirely helpless. They have their mothers to look after them. She spots the danger and raises the alarm. But the snake is headed straight for her youngster.